today for a read aloud and actually for as part of science for today's. I would actually like to go through this book, and it's called Rainforest Life. Now, I realized first grade that I didn't really give you a very good overview of rainforest life. And so today we're going to do that. We're going to have an overview today, and then we've already taken a look at one animal, but next week we're going to take a look at the jaguar, and we're also going to take a look at a certain type of frog. And so we're going to spend a couple of days looking at some different animals that we would find in the rainforest, because how they eat, where they live, and how they live is going to be very different from each other. So this book is called Rainforest Life. You can see it has a table of contents. This table of contents tells us exactly where I could find each of these different topics about the rainforest. And this is the page number it would start on. But we're going to read the whole thing through. Rainforests. Rainforests are found in hot, wet areas of the world. These forests have many tall trees and many kinds of plants and animals. Look at the fog that comes off from there. And look at the pretty, pretty scenery. Plant life. There is not much light in the rainforest, as the rainforest is so thick. The trees grow tall to reach the sunlight. Here's a picture of a rainforest flower. How beautiful is that? Strangler fig trees strangle other trees with their roots. You can see that it's growing right on top of the other tree. The canopy. The trees in a rainforest grow very close together. The leaves at the top make a roof called a canopy over the rainforest. Did you know? Scientists do not want to damage the rainforest. They often study the forest by hanging over the canopy in a type of crane. So they don't want to go inside and destroy anything, and so they'll look over the top to see what they can find. But the canopy acts like a roof. Okay, so if you're in the roof of a house, the house roof, what's its job? To protect what's inside of the house, right? So the same thing happens with this canopy. It protects the animals and the other plants that are inside. The rainforest floor. The rainforest floor is damp and dark. If something's damp, it's cold, it's kind of wet, and it's dark. It is full of seedlings. It is a home for insects and animals. Dead trees make good homes for birds and insects. Obviously, not all trees are going to survive, right? And so those trees that don't make it, that are dead, are a really great home for birds and insects to live. Jungle cats. There are many cats that live in the rainforest. They can climb trees, and some are also very good swimmers. This is called a jaguarundi. Jaguarundi. Looks like a jaguar, doesn't it? Must be a type of jaguar. A margay. Jaguars hunt at night and sleep in the day. Reptiles. The rainforest is full of reptiles. Snakes hide in trees to catch birds and animals. Some reptiles can change color to hide from enemies. The chameleon's tongue is as long as its body. This lizard can change color to match its surroundings. It does this on purpose. It's called camouflage. And the reason that it can change colors and camouflage is actually to protect itself. Tree pythons wrap themselves around branches. Frogs. Some rainforest frogs are brightly colored and very dangerous. Their poison was once put on the end of arrows and used for hunting. We have a strawberry poison frog here. Can you figure out why it's called strawberry? Orange and black poison frog. And this is the poison arrow frog. It's orange. Bird life. Many rainforest birds are brightly colored. Many of them live on wild fruit and nuts. They have strong beaks to open the nuts. Toucans have large, brightly colored beaks. You have a macaw, an aracari, a harpy eagle. That looks kind of scary. And a white-tipped sicklebill. I think that it likes the juice from this flower. Treetop animals. Many different types of monkeys live in the trees of the rainforest. Some use their tails to hang from branches while they eat. Tarsiers are not monkeys. They have huge eyes that help them see well at night. Ooh, I bet you they're nocturnal. Sleep during the day and are awake at night. Nocturnal. They like to be awake at night. Tamarin monkeys eat fruit, leaves, and insects. Those are the ones that we see at the zoo, don't we? Save the rainforest. Rainforests are home to at least half of all the species of animals and plants in the world. It is important that we save our rainforests. Did you know an area of rainforest the size of 6 football fields disappears every minute? They're chopping them down, but they're so important. The back, this is called an index. So you could come to the back of the book and you could want to maybe learn about the monkeys. And so if you wanted to learn about monkeys a little bit, you could go to page 20 and 21. And so if I go to 20 and 21, I could see different monkeys. If I wanted to see snakes, I could go to 14 and 15. And so if I go back to 14 and 15, I would see snakes and maybe learn a little bit about them. So that's how an index works also. Okay, so friends, we are going to be taking a look at the rainforest over the next several weeks, and I'm really excited to do that with you. Read up on the rainforest a little bit this weekend if you'd like, but Monday we are going to start learning about a new animal in the rainforest. Have a great day.